Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Pontus and I'm a musician slash producer in Stockholm and I work for Soundtrap for Education. In this video I will walk you through remixing and how to make one and what it actually means to remix a song. So please, without further ado, welcome to my video. First, let's talk about what the remix really is. Remix, bootleg, edit, or mashup are all words that is being used all over these days, and let's go through what they mean. Remix. A remix is an official remix of the original song. So to do a proper remix, you would need to get the tracks or stems directly from the artist slash producer, like the drums, bass, piano, or vocals, and use those to create your remix. So I remixed a Justin Bieber song I found online. Isn't that also a remix? Nope, it's called a bootleg. First off, if you don't have permissions to use another person's song to do a remix, you shouldn't. But if you do, it wouldn't be a remix, but instead a bootleg. Then we have edit. An edit is when the song is changed, usually by the original artist for a particular use, like for example the club. That will be a club edit, usually adding a longer intro and outro for easy DJ mixing between songs. Or a radio edit, a shorter version of the song to fit better for radio. Mashup. Mashup uses parts of two different songs to create a new mix. It could be the vocals from one song on top of the instrumental of another. They can work really well played in the DJ set. They surprise the audience and give it something fresh. So, let's say we want to do a remix. How do I get permissions to do one? Well, there are basically two ways to go about this. Option number one, reach out to the writer, publisher, and owner of the recording you want to use and ask them for permission. This can be done via email and just state what part of the song you want to use and for what purpose you want the recording. Option number two, remix your own or your friend's song. To remix your own or a friend's song is actually super fun and a great way to practice your remix skills. Cool, we now know what a remix is and how you get permission to do one. I've actually reached out to my close friend Johan and I got his permission to remix his song Please Be Mine. But before I do that, I want to share a few key steps for creating a good remix. These are my personal key steps. You might have your own, but I will walk you through the ones I have. So listen to the song many times. Try to analyze what sections or sounds you want to emphasize and which you perhaps want to remove. It is a remix after all, and some things have to change. Find the tempo of the song. It is important to set the beat in the project to match the tracks. This makes adding loops and recording 1,000 times easier. Is it too fast or too slow? Perhaps you want to change the tempo. Find the key of the song. Is the track in a minor or major key? Is it in a certain scale? This is important to understand once it's time to add melodies or perhaps new chords to the song. Okay, so the groundwork has been set. It's now time to head into the studio. In Soundtrap, there's a lot of great loops and sounds that you can experiment with. So just remember to have fun and stay creative. Let's go! Okay, I'm done with the remix. I ended up actually changing the tempo, switching the key, and I only kept the guitar and the vocals from the original. And I did a few other things as well. So here is the original, and then after that you will hear my remix. I hope you enjoy.
What if I gave my all?